Hello beautiful people, welcome again to Solicious Cuisine. On today's recipe I'll be showing you how to make Poulet DG. Poulet means chicken, DG means Director General. So it's basically a combination of plantain and chicken and then some vegetable mixed into it. So if you want to know how this was made, stay tuned as we dive right into the video. To the ingredients, you'll be needing some ripe plantains, green spices, mixture of basil, leek, onions, and so on. And you have salt and seasoning cubes, some chopped spring onions, garlic and ginger paste and blended pepper, curry powder and white pepper powder, some chopped onions, some chopped green beans and carrot, chopped bell peppers, different colors, chopped tomatoes. You can blend it if you want. And then here I'm using a whole chicken, the strong one, which is called super horn, because that's the one we used in Cameroon. And so next I will put this in a pot, add some of the ingredients such as the green spices, the ginger and garlic paste, some salt and some Maggi. Put some water, cover and let that cook for about 20 to 25 minutes. Note, if you're using the soft chicken, you don't need to cook it before. You can just go ahead and fry it, but this one I will cook it a bit before, then I put it in the oven for about 20 minutes. While the chicken is cooking, you want to go ahead and peel your plantains and cut them to the sizes that you will love to. So usually in Cameroon, when they are doing the Poulet DG, they cut the plantain or they slice it into like small circles sizes, but I'm doing it this way as you can see it in the video. After slicing this, I'm going to fry it until golden brown. So usually in Cameroon, when we are doing this recipe, we use the hard chicken and the chicken is being fried. For mine, I boil the chicken and I'm going to put it in the oven. But if you're using the soft chicken, maybe the chicken thighs or chicken wings, you just want to go ahead and season it and fry. Or if you also don't want to fry it, you can use your air fryer or your oven. After finishing with the plantain, I went ahead to check the chicken. So the chicken at this point is ready and I'm just going to take that out and put it in the oven for about 20 minutes or while I continue to start to make the sauce for the Poulet DG. Next, in a hot pan, I added my vegetable oil, put in the onions and then I sauteed it for about 2 to 3 minutes. After which you want to go ahead with your tomatoes. You want to give this a proper stir and then cover and let this cook until the water dries up. At this point, you can see that the water has dried up. Next, I went in with my green spices, ginger and garlic paste, curry powder and white pepper, added some Maggi and some salt to taste, gave that a proper mix. After which I went in with the chopped carrot and green beans. I also gave that a good mix and then added some of the chicken broth. So when you are cooking the chicken, make sure you don't throw away the chicken broth because you will need it for the sauce after. After mixing all these ingredients, I went ahead to add the chicken into the sauce and I gave that a proper mix. While doing this, I realized that the pot I was using was small, so I went ahead to change the pot. After mixing all these things, I'm going to cover and let this simmer for about 3 to 4 minutes. At this point, you can see I gave this a proper mix and then I went ahead to add my bell peppers. After adding the bell peppers, I gave that a proper mix also and then went in with my fried plantain. Now, I added the fried plantain with the bell pepper because I don't want my vegetables too soft, and if you leave it too long it will get too soft. I also went ahead to add some of the chicken broth again so that it will not be too dry. You don't want it too dry, neither do you want it too watery. So I just went ahead, like I said, I added the fried plantains, and this is where the whole combination comes in. So I gave this a proper mix, and then I let it simmer for like 2 to 3 minutes, and then in the end I went on to add my spring onions, which is the last thing you're going to add. This is just for more flavor and garnishing. At this point, guys, everything is well mixed and combined, and you don't want to leave it again long on the heat, otherwise your plantain will get too soft. So guys, this is it for the recipe. The only thing left now for you to do is to serve and enjoy. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, share, and leave a comment below. And if you're new here, you're welcome. And if you haven't subscribed, please kindly do so and click on that notification bell. Until I see you in my next one, stay safe, keep loving each other. God bless you. Bye.